finally got done with my eyebrows, so this is what they come out to look like. Today I went in with a regular over-the-counter dip brow. This Anastasia Beverly Hills cream kit. It's in color medium. I love this. I actually got it from TJ Maxx in the makeup section. It was on sale for like $12.99 or maybe $7.99. I don't know, it was cheap. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go in with this in the color Warm Coral. This color right here. It's already wet, so I wet it before. Hot water, warm water. I definitely forgot to use primer. Bare Minerals Prom Time, and it's pretty straight, but I'm gonna go ahead and use that over the color corrector. You don't have to do this. This is just my shenanigans that I do. Just rub it in, baby. So my goal is to get this color. So we're gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna be using this brush, kind of flat. Go in with this right here. I never be using this shit. This is what it looks like. It's actually, I might still have the price on here. Yes, this one was $12.99 at TJ Maxx. And don't be telling nobody where I get my makeup from because y'all be stealing. Okay, so now I'm just baking. Let me tell y'all a little something. We have to know how to blend. Y'all got out here looking retarded and shit. Well, not looking retarded because we looking fly as fuck. But some of y'all hoes out here be looking crazy as fuck because y'all act like y'all don't know how to blend your makeup. Don't wear makeup if you don't know how to blend it. Just have a seat in the section with all the bitches who can't do their makeup, who always just want to be natural and all this shit because they don't really know how to do their own makeup. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with All About That Face. And it has the highlights, contour, blush. Damn right, I'm gonna use every one. Just wanna get your favorite blush brush. And my favorite one, like one of my first brush sets I got off of Amazon, and this always been my favorite. But I actually have a new, here it is. I'm gonna use this one because this one is pretty. This is the LA Color Highlight and Contour little kit thingy. They have these all the time. I always pick one up every time I run out, and I'm just gonna mix these two blushes because I like them together. And I just use like slow, slight strokes. Don't be nasty. And I definitely put some on the tip of my nose. It may sound weird. You're probably like, damn, Santa Claus ass big. But I like it for some reason. It just look good. So, yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some up here, my corners of my forehead. People say that's weird as well, but yo, I like it. I can't help it. I'm gonna do my contour. Well, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my highlight out. I basically use the same brush I baked with. And I'm gonna go in with this yellowish color. You probably like, girl, you white as hell right now. But trust me, I will blend it and I will look bright. We definitely got work to do now. Deep contour brush. I like to blend with this one. This is like my deep one where I just get in there. So this one we're gonna be using. I have the same palette. I do have other browns that I just go over with sometimes, but I'm just gonna use the palette right now. I'm gonna go in with this brown, I guess. Darker brown, and I'm just gonna go over all the highlight. Like this little fluffy brush, add some of that dark color. Voila, mad, whole nose job. We didn't even deep contour yet. pretty much do this every day, not every day, but whenever I'm just doing something simple, just putting on some makeup. So this is just a simple everyday look for me. Hope you guys like. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. And yeah, comment below for any ideas or anything that you want to see. If you guys want a simple, separate eyebrow tutorial, I would love to do that for you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So see you guys soon. Talk to you guys later. God bless. And just follow your heart desire.